And they drink a lot. The one at the chiropractor, Heidi said her husband has arthritis. She probably drinks it so she can keep drinking the alcohol.
Yeah.
Yeah, she goes right to get the stuff. She just gets with that. But it's like him. Yeah. And then what I have, it seems like from what I read from the thing, is the start of osteoporosis. So I can stop it, but I gotta do the weight bearing exercise bullshit.
How's them carrots? You? Nice. Log on? Okay.
Ready for dinner? Din.
Wiener. Here's some wiener.
Ready? Go ahead, stretch it out. See what you got. Right, their stuff's done.
Nope, walk right around it.
If you're good, Malachi, you better eat it.
One carrot left. Better go give it to him.
Go ahead, move it. Go in the living
He missed one. That's what he was looking for.
room.